So today, guys, we giving you a mukbang.
Yes, sir.
Since we snowed in.
Yes, sir.
We got chicken wings. She got pork fried rice. I got white rice. We gonna try it with the 2 times spicy sauce.
She's bugging, y'all.
The hot sauce. We only gonna eat 5 pieces in 10 minutes.
Only 5. Huh?
Only 5 in 10 minutes. Who can eat 5 in 10 minutes? Will it be Team Precious or will it be Team Rach? Comment down below who you think is gonna win tonight's challenge, guys. I think it's gonna be me. I'm a spicy person. It's definitely gonna be me. So stay tuned.
Alright, let me stop playing with y'all. Alright, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. If you're not subscribed to the game, then what are you doing? Alright. Now let's get into it before Precious catch me lacking where I stay at. Because I stay popping my shit, but like Team Precious, y'all called me lacking this time. Woohoo! Snaps for you, kudos for you, boo boo. You got that, baby. You got that. But listen, baby, you ain't about to expect this because we about to do a video and we about to be eating. And I'm gonna be like, it tastes so good. Baby, can you pass? Baby, pass me that, please. Yeah, I'm about to be moaning all that good stuff, y'all. So like, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, because I'm about to run this thing up. You feel me? Run this thing up, Team Rach. I don't want to see no. Hold up, y'all. I don't want to see no Team Precious in the comments, okay? Because this is my time to shine, okay? I'm coming with that smoke, boy. I'm coming with that smoke, with that fire. So let's go for it.
Hey, yeah, I'm training, yeah. Hey, everything you do, everything you do, everything you do. Go where I have fun with you, yeah. Hey, or whatever you wanna do.
Boom. And I'm gonna pour it on the chicken wings. Okay, make sure I get it all over the wings.
I can't believe this.
Get it all over the wings. All over the wings, y'all. All over the wings.
Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man.
Period. Okay. So there go the wings with the sauce.
I don't know if I'm doing all that. She's bugging.
Here.
Like,
You got to. Don't be cheating.
I don't know if I'm doing all that.
You got the sweet and sour in the middle to, you know, help them to heat.
How about that?
A little bit more
All
on that
right.
wing. Okay, that's good. Okay, I said that's good. You still going. Don't say shit to
For the
me.
YouTube.
All right, so you better eat it for the YouTube.
For the YouTube.
Okay, you guys ready? Okay.
Oh.
And let me put my timer on my phone for 10 minutes.
I don't think I'm ready.
10 minutes, guys.
Make
Ready?
sure I don't get no sauce on our pillow.
10 minutes. Go.
I'm not ready for this.
Here you go the wing, y'all.
Okay. Wing one.
Oh. Oh, God. The crazy thing is, it's hot, but it's good.
Oh my gosh.
You on the timer, you on the timer.
Oh my gosh. This shit is hot, man.
And you gotta eat it. Let's go. Okay. Open this sweet and sour sauce if you need it. Ooh. It's on my lip.
Wing one down.
21 down. 4 to go.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Okay. Wing two. Oh! Oh my gosh, babe.
Oh my goodness. I can't do this.
Oh my goodness.
What? I'm gonna lick my finger, but I don't. I don't know if we're supposed to have a drink or not.
You cheating.
But I need some water. Ooh.
How many minutes?
Oh, God. It's been 2 minutes, y'all. 2 minutes. Woo.
Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh. Yo, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe.
Well. We really fuck with y'all. Really fuck with us for this.
Fuck.
I feel like I'm drooling. Oh yeah.
I feel like I'm eating some Korean sauce.
Alright.
Team Rach, I still ain't drinking nothing yet though.
So what? Team Precious, I'm about to be done with my chicken. Oh, I got this. Whenever you want. Oh god. Oh. I got some white rice to calm me down. I got my subscribe.
Fuck.
Oh my goodness.
Baby. Babe.
Get it done.
Fuck.
Let's go for my floor. I got her out. Done. My last one for Team Precious, y'all.
Do that. When four done. Last one, y'all. Sauciest one.
Done. Woo, woo, woo.
I think I won that.
Nothing in my mouth. Spirit. Hold up. Hold up.
Fuck.
You done?
And
we still had. Hold on. We still had 5 minutes left on the clock. Still 5 minutes and 11 seconds left on the clock. Woo! Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh my god. You are moaning and shit.
Huh?
You moaning hard as hell.
What you mean? What, man?
You're like, that's how you is right now.
You're bugging. YouTube, she's bugging.
Comment down below if y'all feel like I'm not bugging.
Where's the fork? Oh, so you didn't give me a fork?
It was in the bag.
It's not giving.
Ooh, yeah.
It's giving.
Here.
Cause I need some rice.
Woo!
All this is burning.
It's giving. I'm hot as hell right now. That's what it's giving. Ooh, yeah.
Oh, fuck. What you doing?
I need some rice too.
For what?
What?
You're the one that likes spicy.
I don't care.
That's what you said.
Oh my god. I can't do this.
Yo, my nose is running. Away from me.
Yeah. Woo!
Team Rach, I did that shit.
I did that shit too. I won. Like, what you mean?
You did not win.
You never said we wasn't allowed to drink anything. And if I did, I still drunk something and I still beat you. Ooh. So you hear that? She is moaning.
Man, you bugging.
You got ass moaning.
You need to stop telling YouTube that shit before we get like banned or something. Cause like what?
Alright. Alright guys, we're gonna be back. We're gonna be back. See, what the fuck? You're doing it again.
Oh my gosh, yo, my mouth is just on fire, babe.
You want the rice?
I want that rice, yeah. I need that rice.
I need it.
Oh my goodness. Baby, right, I'm about to say, baby, I need it.
Alright, y'all, we be back.
Man, like, comment, subscribe. We're about to make another video.
So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Let us know if you guys like this video today. Let us know what you want to see. I'm so sorry.
Comment down Team Rach because I did
Comment
that.
down Team Precious because I won. I don't care what she's talking about right now. Period. Okay. My mouth is on fire.
Okay.
Yeah.
Woo!
I definitely need a blunt.
You definitely moaning like a lot. Like you really is.
Babe, you're really bugging, like.
I'm really not. But anyway, comment down below if y'all hear what I hear because I know I'm not bugging. And when we finish this video, she definitely gonna hear what I'm hearing.
Alright, babe. Here's the tea though.
Yeah. I knew it was some type of tea. Your teeth right there. Ain't no more tea we gotta give.
I was doing a prank on you this whole video.
What? That moaning shit?
Yeah.
I knew I wasn't bugging because I'm like, what is she doing?
Team Rach, yo, like I did that for y'all. So for me, like, best believe, like, Team Precious, like I told y'all, I'm gonna catch y'all like when you say.
No. Anyway.
But she was liking that shit. She like, oh baby, like you moaning, like.
And so you guys, like, I hear.
Yeah, yo, I got touched by Precious love.
And I got touched by myself. You feel me? So you know, we had to give a new look for the new year.
Period.
Pop out with the blonde and the red. Let us know if you guys like I hear it too because you know we did it for you guys. Okay? Alright, the video over. You don't gotta keep going. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and see you in our next video.
We out. Peace.
Hey. Yeah. I'm training. Yeah. Hey.